Today we will discuss about scavenging and supercharging. What is the difference between scavenging and supercharging? We will discuss today. What is scavenging? Scavenging is the process of flushing out burnt gases from the engine cylinder by introducing fresh air in the cylinder. If we have burnt gases in the cylinder, then a fresh air is used for remove from the cylinder. But before the end of the exhaust stroke, this whole process will be completed in the before the end of the exhaust stroke. We will discuss it by an example. We have a cylinder, a piston rod. This piston has crowning. This is inlet port, this is exhaust port, and this is transfer port. This is crown, which is useful in giving a push to the burnt gases. This whole assembly of the piston and cylinder is for two-stroke engine. Now we will see the working of the scavenging process. This is a spark plug for burning fuel. What will happen when this piston from BDC to TDC will travel? Then what will happen? Burnt gases will be produced by the combustion process, and then at the same time the fresh air or fresh fuel will come from the transfer port, and it will push the burnt gases through the exhaust port, and the burnt gases will be out. Burnt gases will be out by this pushing action of fresh charge or pushing action of fresh fuel. Fresh fuel charge will come and burnt gases will be out from the cylinder. This is the process of scavenging, in which fresh fuel or crowning of the piston is used for exhaust the burnt gases in the cylinder. But the main disadvantage is that for the scavenging process, the fresh charge will also go from the exhaust or burnt gases. So this is the process of scavenging for flushing out burnt gases from the cylinder by the fresh fuel. Now we will discuss about supercharging. What is supercharging? It is the process of supplying higher mass of air by compressing the atmospheric air by supercharger. We will compress the air and will supply to the engine cylinder so that completely burning of the fuel can be takes place in the cylinder. We will see an example for it. We have a supercharging process. There we have a cylinder, piston, this is a injector, and this is a supercharger. Air from the atmosphere will come in the supercharger. There it will be compressed, and this compressed air will travel to the cylinder, and fuel will come through the injector, and they will mix there, and combustion process start, and this piston will start working. This is supercharging. Now see the animation. Fuel will come from the injector, and supercharger will give compressed air to the cylinder, and the completely burning of the fuel will takes place in the cylinder, and our engine cylinder will work. So this is the supercharging process, in which compressed air is used in the engine cylinder for completely burning of the fuel. Thank you.